Should rich countries impose ethical standards on global research? Imagine a world where scientists from wealthy nations work in poorer countries to find cures and improve health. Should those wealthier nations set the rules for everyone? That's the big question. When rich countries develop research rules, they want to protect people everywhere. They base these rules on core medical ethics principles like respect for persons, doing good, avoiding harm, and fairness. These principles say all research participants should be treated with dignity, their safety protected, and benefits shared fairly. International guidelines like the Declaration of Helsinki say research must prioritize participant rights over scientific goals. This means getting clear consent and protecting vulnerable groups, no matter where the research happens. But here's where it gets tricky. Wealthy countries often have strict rules and oversight systems. They want to make sure research is safe and trustworthy. They believe imposing these standards helps prevent exploitation, especially in poorer countries with weaker regulations. This can build trust between researchers and communities and ensure results are reliable. However, some argue that forcing one culture's ethics onto another is a form of ethical imperialism. It might ignore local customs, beliefs, and social norms. On the other hand, cultural relativism suggests that ethics should change based on local context. But if local practices violate basic human rights or put people at risk, can they really be justified? The best way forward is for rich countries and local communities to work together. They should respect universal ethical principles like protecting human rights, but also listen to local voices. Developing ethical standards that are flexible enough to fit different cultures helps avoid imposing one-size-fits-all rules. It's also important to ensure that research benefits the local population and that they are not just subjects but active partners. This way, research can be fair, respectful, and culturally sensitive. In the end, medical ethics principles support the idea that rich countries should help set high standards for global research. But they should do so through respectful partnerships, not by forcing their rules on others. This approach helps protect people everywhere while honoring local traditions and values.